Your alarm goes off. You hit snooze, obviously. Just 5 more minutes, bro. That's all. Second alarm. Gone, without a second thought. Third alarm. You literally think about getting up. Keyword, think. Fourth alarm. Now you're bargaining. Okay, if I skip this shower, I can totally make it. Fifth alarm. Full panic mode. And yet, the bed wins. Again. Then you check the time. Oh no. Oh, absolutely no. You already knew this was gonna happen. Your future self tried to warn you. You didn't listen. But hey, tonight you're setting that alarm for 5 a.m. Sure you are, buddy. Sure you are.